Each year, tell you what I'd like to do first. As we get ready for our next award, I would like to welcome Doug DeMayo from MacDill Air Force Base to join me on stage as we present this year's Dick Schram Memorial Community Relations Award. Are you on your way there? Do I see you, Doug? Yeah, gotcha. Come on up. Each year, the Dick Schram Memorial Community Relations Award is given to the military air show that works with and within its community to establish their air show, not only just as an important base event, but one that is as critical to a critical part of the community. More than just a military air show of the year, this award was established to recognize military air show organizers who understand and put to effective use the considerable power that air shows have and offer as public affairs and community relations tools. Dick Schram was a former Blue Angel and a former Department of Defense Aviation Support Liaison Officer and was an active member of our air show community. He died unexpectedly in 1987 at the very young age of 47 years, but if he were with us this evening, he would certainly enthusiastically endorse the selection of this year's award recipient. An air show that did the big things right and did the little things well and used their show to make a positive and lasting impact on their local communities. At MacDill Air Force Base, the effort to use their 2018 open house as a community outreach tool began early when they decided to conduct, get this, a science, technology, engineering, art, and math fair to connect with local students and maintain America's position as the world's engine of scientific and technical advances. On the Friday before their weekend show, the base hosted 50 different STEM exhibits and more than 1,300 students from 29 different schools in the Tampa Bay area. And for their effort, the base was named as the recipient of the Peter Taylor Community Partnership Award, presented each year to a base that builds strong relationships with local school districts. The Tampa Bay Airfest at MacDill was also a model of military community partnership, providing the base with an opportunity to thank the Tampa Bay community and the taxpayers and provide the taxpayers with a chance to visit and better understand the bases. In part, as a result of the strengthening partnership with local businesses and that in the local business community there in the Tampa Bay area, listen to this statistic. Less than half of the show is now funded by government appropriated funds. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in congratulating this year's recipient of the Dick Schram Memorial Community Relations Award to the Tampa Bay Airfest and Steam Fair at MacDill Air Force Base in Tampa Bay, Florida.
First, thank you, ICAS. We're honored to receive this award from MacDill. Lieutenant Colonel Ryan Garl is the director. John Swartz is the assistant director. Chase Stockton, head of our NFE, and I'll get to him in a second, and Terry Montrose from Public Affairs. We started every meeting with Airfest in the STEAM event with, this is our opportunity as MacDill to give back and make that connection with the local community. We have almost 3 million people in the greater Tampa area, and we knew how important it was to continue that relationship. So we stressed that from day one, from the youngest airmen to the 06s and generals we met with. Like, this is our opportunity to make that connection. And we couldn't have done that without the team, an amazing team. And first of all, John is a reservist. He's been doing this air show for like 6-8 years. I mean, in the military, it's hard to find that continuity, and this guy is amazing, and he has no idea I was going to embarrass him like this, but he's a great guy. And then secondly, as mentioned, the funding piece. So right after sequestration, we were all strapped for money, and we went to the community, and Chase Stockton stepped up and helped us raise money. Over the last 3 shows, almost $1 million from the community, thanks to Chase's input to help the community come up and make this possible. And as mentioned, the appropriated funds is actually probably closer to almost a quarter of our money, and then once you roll in NAF, those two are below half, and the rest comes from the community that make MacDill Airfest an amazing. So a round of applause for all the NFEs out there, because we can't do it without them. And again, I just want to stress, like, it's bigger than just the military. It's about bringing the aviation community together, the military and the local community together. And we're so honored to have this award presented to us, because it does mean a lot to the military community to connect with the local community. And we're so thankful to be honored with 3 major awards this year. Like they mentioned, the National Pete Taylor Community Partnership Award, the Greater American Defense Community Award, and now the Dick Schram Memorial Community Relations Award. That is the highest honor. We are thankful not only to ICAS, but the airshow community. You are amazing. Thank you.